Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel here, and today I want to tackle a pretty daunting issue for website owners: getting de-indexed by Google. If you've noticed a sudden drop in your search traffic, it might be because your site got de-indexed. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into why this happens, and more importantly, how you can fix it. First off, why does Google de-index sites? There are several reasons, and understanding them is crucial. One major reason is a violation of Google's webmaster guidelines. If you're using black hat SEO tactics like keyword stuffing, hidden text, or cloaking, Google's not going to be happy. Or maybe you're publishing duplicate content. Google values unique, high-quality content, so if you're copying, you're in trouble. And let's not forget link schemes. Buying links or participating in link farms can definitely get you de-indexed. Another reason could be a manual penalty. Sometimes Google manually penalizes a site, especially if its quality raters find bad practices that harm user experience. If this happens, you'll get a notification in Google Search Console. Then there are algorithmic penalties. Google updates its algorithms regularly, and if your site doesn't meet the new criteria, you might find yourself de-indexed or losing rankings. Technical issues can also be a culprit. Things like robots.txt blocking, Googlebot, broken links, 404 errors, slow page load speed, or a poorly structured site can all cause indexing issues. And let's not forget content quality. If your content's low quality, thin, or just not useful, Google's sophisticated algorithms will catch on. Spammy or malicious content can also lead to de-indexation. If your site hosts malware or deceptive practices, Google will protect users by removing your site. So what's the fix? If you're de-indexed, acting quickly is key. Here's your step-by-step guide. First, check Google Search Console for notifications. This will give you clues as to why you were de-indexed. Next, review Google's webmaster guidelines and make sure your site complies. If you've used black hat SEO tactics, it's time to clean up your act. Then, fix any technical issues. Check your robots.txt file, fix 404 errors, improve page speed, and submit an updated XML sitemap. Conduct a content audit. Ensure your content is high quality, original, and useful. Remove or improve thin or duplicate content. If you received a manual penalty, submit a reconsideration request via Google Search Console. Be honest and transparent about the steps you've taken to fix the issues. Check for malware and spammy content. Clean up any malicious content and ensure your site is secure. And finally, monitor for algorithmic changes. Stay informed about updates and adjust your strategy to meet Google's evolving standards. Getting de-indexed can be frustrating, but with a methodical approach, you can recover. Investigate the root cause, fix the issues, and improve your site's quality. It might take time, but with patience and diligence, you'll get back on track. If you're feeling stuck, don't hesitate to consult an SEO expert. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your site re-indexed and thriving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Catch you next time.